Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to add a language to our Braille keyboard in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So where to look for Braille options and how to add a new language. So first we need to open Settings, then Accessibility, next TalkBack, then Settings, and now we are looking for our Braille section, and here is Braille keyboard. And here it is, languages. So to add a new language, we need to open the language option here, then tap add language, and now we can add whatever we want from this list. Why not Greek option? Yes please, back out, and now our Greek language is available in our Braille keyboard. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.